like Mommy's hair in your face. I think you like it. That's weird. Oh. Oh. Yeah, tell me. Tell me about it. Oh. Oh, are you Superman? You're gonna save the world. Can't be your lowest lane. Until you fall in love. Oh, there's a toot. Does your belly have some toots in it? Does your belly have some toots in it? Ooh. You like the blinds? Oh, oh. That's exciting. It's exciting. I'm Victor Hamhock.
Hi. We're over here too. Hey, big boy.